Good morning, and you are listening to Radio Zero. Today is going to be happening the Chibuku Neshamari Dance Festival, battling for $7,000 prize. I will be there. You should be there. And in other news, we've got some interesting people coming in today.
You never feel happy.
To the Chibuku Neshamari Dance Festival, as we are bringing to you live on Zaruro FM, the home of all things and art. Next up on stage, give it up for the Chosen!
Food when no steam down well hot. You now put cane juice in a minute snacks. Now which cherry juice must be one in a the box? So this a food detail that you don't place like salads. So you know not to up now this deal of relax. But every night when you want your woman a relax, put your mouth where you feel and put your cocky shot. Make sure that's something when childhood a war. All juice no post to catch drink with a star. Any man do that get a shot in a jar. Really well before you back, but you love to pack on. You kiss on your clan and you for a salad. But any bout and them a go dead in a the jar. This no one a quote one and no one a West East on ya.
Oh my, who's going to take it home? Broadcasting live here in Mutare, you are listening to Zaruro FM at the Chibuku Neshamari Dance Festival. Check your time, it's now 8 o'clock, time for the news. And the winner of the Chibuku Neshamari Dance Festival 2018 is The Chosen!